Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see the two different notifications. One is assistant professor vacancies notification, and these are the permanent posts from the state government university. And second one is the 254 PhD vacancies admission notification. It is also from the another state government university. So both these two notifications we are going to see in this video. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the Unacademy is providing the complete course for the UGC NET Paper 1 as well as the Paper 2 Electronic Science, and the details regarding this course is provided at the end of this video. Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator for the subject NTA UGC NET Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. If you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Then you are going to get all my updates and videos as the immediate notifications to your devices. I started one Facebook account, guys. And I provided this link in the description box of this video. So please join into this group. So here the group name is Your Mentor, just same as this YouTube channel name. So in this group also, here all the advertisements regarding the assistant professor, teachers and the PhD notifications I posted here. So you will get, or else you will be having a look on all the posts at a glance here. Okay, so join into this group that I provided the link in the description box. And now while coming to the present content of this video, first we will see the assistant professor notification or the professor or associate from the state government university, that is J.C. Bose University of Science and Technology, Faridabad. And from this university, here you can check down that online applications are invited for the following regular aided teaching posts on direct recruitment or deputation basis by 31st/12/2020. And coming to the disciplines here, civil engineering, electrical, electronics and instrumentation control, computer engineering, biotechnology and microbiology. So coming to the assistant professor, here the 7 vacancies are there as per the caste category also mentioned here. So you may check down. And few general conditions are given here, and the application fee is 1000 rupees and 250 rupees for SC and 500 rupees for the female candidates of Haryana. And the university reserves the right to increase or decrease the number of posts, and here the age limit is maximum 55 years. Okay, and here the candidates who are already in service have to submit their application through proper channel, or they are required to submit no objection certificate from their present employer at the time of document verification or interview, otherwise the candidature will not be entertained. Coming to the eligibility conditions, including qualifications and experience, for the assistant professor in sciences, that is biotechnology and microbiology, the pay band is mentioned here and the academic level 10. So the eligibility is master's degree with 55% of marks with net qualification, SLET or SET must be there. And if the candidates are having the PhD as per the prior 2009, then they are exempted from the net SLET or SET qualification. Okay, so these are the eligibility conditions for the assistant professor, guys. And for the associate and for the professor also you can check down here. Coming to the assistant professor for engineering and technology, civil engineering, electrical and electronics and instrumentation. So pay band is mentioned and eligibility is BE, BTech, BS or ME or MTech, MS or integrated MTech in relevant branch with first class or equivalent in any one of the degree. So for the assistant professor in engineering and technology, the net qualification is not required, guys. Okay, so these candidates with post graduation, you may apply here directly, not a problem. Okay, so these are the qualifications, and for your reference purpose, I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video. So you may go through this one, guys. Okay, and here, so you have to apply through the link available on the university website till 31st December 2020, and after successful submission of application form in online mode, the filled application form must be printed and signed on each page by the applicant. Such signed copy of application form along with all supporting self-attested documents should be sent at the following address by 15th January 2021. That means apart of filling the online application form, you should also have to send the documents to this address. Okay, so please remember, guys. And the second notification is the PhD notification. So it is also from the another state government university, that is Swami Rama Himalayan University, Dehradun. So here the PhD entrance examination, January 2021, and The starting and closing date is 31st October 2022, 31st December 2020. So for this one also the last date is 31st December 2020. And the date of downloading admit cards and the date of time of entrance examination, the declaration of examination result and the interaction personal interview, and the final result will get on 8th March 2021. So these are all the details provided here. And the link for filling up the online application form is provided here. So I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video, and the online application fee is 1000 rupees plus transaction charges are applicable. And here the few important notes are given, so you may go through that one. And the specializations are biochemistry and eligibility also provided here. Biochemistry, biotechnology, brain and mind sciences, epidemiology, hospital administration, immunology, management in finance, human resource and marketing, medical physics, microbiology, nursing sciences, oncological sciences, pharmacology and physiology. So these are the different departments, guys. Anyhow, the few 5% relaxation is provided based upon the caste category, SC, ST and OBC non-creamy layer. And these are the tuition fees are mentioned here, so you may go through this one. And the written examination pattern is also given here. And at the end of this PDF, you will get the syllabus for the written examination also. So please go through all these details very carefully, guys. Okay. So these are the notifications that I want to provide. Please share this information to your friends or colleagues. And please subscribe my channel to get the more notifications like this. Okay, and the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so please listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video, I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to explain as per your understanding levels or not. So these are the different subscription plans, guys. That means for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So depending upon your goal, that means when you want to write the exam, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans that it is showing on your screens. But one thing is that if you are planning to take the subscription plan for both paper 1 as well as for the electronic science, then use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, right? So it is my referral code, guys, ASWINIK, and you are going to get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay, so it is the information that I want to deliver from this video through my channel. And if you want to know about the previous courses feedbacks, that you can click down here. So these are all the dedications given by the previous batch students. So you may check down the different feedbacks here. Okay, so the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the 2021, so both the UGC NET paper 1 and the electronic science, so both these two courses will definitely helpful to you to crack the JRF. Fine, guys. So please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next sessions. And all the best, guys. Thank you very much.